Just marking these centre points up where the wires are going to come through. So we'll get these fixed into position. Just being careful now not to trap any wires. We'll just mark the last piece up now. So now I need to get the exact points of the hinges where to drill these out. That's one. I'll just give this a quick dry fit. Make sure it lines up. Perfect is that. So whilst the doors are drying, we'll just pay attention to having a look at this frame. So we'll make a start at the top. I'm going to be using this awning rail and we'll incorporate that in the top section. So I'm just marking the centre point here, and this is where the two rails will join, this one and that one. So I just need to cut a slight bit out of each rail, so when I tuck the awning in, when I make that, it can slide in from the centre. So I'm just being quite careful here, just filing it down so there's no burrs on for when I put the awning rail in. I'm just going to check the little notch that this awning rail will go in. So I'll go on that side. Yeah, that's fine as that. So that, you just, when you make your awning, you can sew it to that actual strip and tuck it in. So just looking at that now, I need to cut that out so his back piece can slot down. Right, they all seem to fit okay then. So now we have the window mounted. Because the window's so thick, I'm going to have to put quite a big leading edge on this side, like an angle, so the window will actually shut. So the tracks are, obviously I haven't gone deep enough, so I'm just going to score a line down there where the tracks are square and then just jigsaw that last bit off, and then we'll belt sand it and make it fit. Perfect, is that? So now I've added these windows, there's some serious weight to these doors. Now I'll take you for a little tour inside, see what the view's like. So as for the door build, the outside is completely finished. I haven't done any rebates on the inside because when I do the ceiling and the floors, that'll sort of connect into the doors, the frame, the surround, if you want to call it. So I hope you've enjoyed watching the videos of the door build, and if you can hit that subscribe button, help grow my channel a little bit more. And thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video.